So after a somewhat tedious rental application, because we're Americans and are used to renting to Americans because we don't come here, we got our automatic, which was a small miracle in itself because in Europe everything is standard, nobody drives automatic. And we're ready to hit the road. We're going to go cruise around the Canaries once Steve's finished taking all the necessary photography. Yes. So, with that, let's go. Okay, now that we got our iPhone plugged in,
It took a while, it always does.
and Miss Daisy is in his seat,
At the roundabout, take the first exit onto Avenida di Virginia.
we are off. Canary Islands, watch out. Got this Christmas decorations. So the more we stay here in Playa del Ingles, the more we realize that this is actually a German colony.
It is not.
It most certainly is.
In a quarter mile,
Everything defaults to German. You wouldn't know you were in Spain here, except for the local signage. Passing through Crusade to Aranaga or something like that. But Crusade to Aranaga. Pretty countryside. Kind of stark, the mountains around us. This is another one of those Spanish directionals. It's like, you know, go whichever way you want. This is the town of Aguimes. I think that's how you pronounce it. A-G-U-I-M-E-S. That's what the sign said back there, Steve. This is the little village of Ingenio. They had a sitcom they made about this place back in the late 60s, early 70s. I Dream of Ingenio.
Oh, you're so funny.
With Major Nelsenio and Ingenio. Still in Eugenio, or Ingenio.
At the roundabout, take the third exit.
So we're supposed to be going to see a gorge, and we are on a two-way road, kind of reminiscent of the Amalfi Coast, where you thank your lucky stars all the cars are very small, and then you hope that you don't come across them.
In half a mile, turn right onto GC 103.
This is cool.
Yeah, I'm glad I'm not driving. Oh, let him go by you.
through here. It's tight.
Two little cars. Oh my God! Look at this! Wow.
That's so cool. Let's hope there's no buses
I can see why they
up
said
here.
you should come up here. This is really awesome.
I did visit a city, things to do in Maspalomas, Canaries. Maspalomas Island. This was number 1. Maspalomas was number 2.
It's okay. I got enough film stand.
God, there's no buses.
Thank God I'm not driving. I wouldn't be able to video very
I
well.
think we're there. No, the road keeps going. This is the ravine. Presume.
No, it's to the
At the
right.
stop sign, turn right onto
Wide a
GC
decade.
193.
Rango de Guayadeca.
That's what we're doing.
In 4.1 miles, take a slight left turn.
Museum. There's a museum over there. That's what all these go.
So we just had to stop, get out, stretch our legs. Great photo ops around here, but this countryside is absolutely stunning.
have been a good place to eat if we didn't have plans. Right? Local town.
Turn left on the Plaza Tennis Court, then arrive at your destination.
So this is the end of our tour around Las Palmas. The beautiful, well, at least the western side of the island was beautiful. The eastern side was interesting, but not as beautiful. And we ended it, look at that sunset in the background. Come here, Steve. Come here. Come here.
Your shirt's
Down here,
don't
down
get
here,
this.
down here. No, it's headshot, headshot. Okay, you're my little guy here now. We're gonna circle. We'll walk into a circle. This is where we ended it at.
Got you cutting my mouth off.
Oops,
There
sorry.
we go.
At Cheryl's. Cheryl and her partner was Jenna
And Lee.
at the
The
business
hotel.
that they run here at the Holiday Club Puerto Calma here in
Puerto Rico.
Puerto Rico. Can you imagine another Puerto Rico around the world? Now let's walk around so everybody can see. We're still smiling. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. There we go. Okay. And that's it. That's the end of our video here
that's where
in
you are.
Las Palmas. So from Las Palmas, what do they say in Spanish? Arrivederci.
Stay in the left lane. In 3/4 of a mile, at the roundabout, take the third exit onto Avenida de Puerto to me.
It's actually going east, but
At the roundabout, take the third exit onto Avenida de Puerto to me.
We will leave someday. Together. Your hand in my hand. Together. We will make our plans. Together. We will fly so high. Together. Tell all our friends goodbye. Together. We will start life new. Together. This is what we'll do. Life is peaceful. This is our destiny. Sun in winter time. We will feel just fine. Where the skies are blue.
Take the second exit onto Avenida de Bon. Then the destination is on your right.
Staying straight.
yeah, but we're not following this anymore.
The entire island. We did the loop, and we ended in Puerto Rico because we befriended a mom and her son. She runs the restaurant at Holiday Club in Puerto Rico,
Okay,
and also she has a bar over at
thank you.
in the Gumbo Center or Yumbo Center.
Uh-huh.
So we went over to have dinner, an early dinner with her. So we're done for the day. It was beautiful.
Perfect.
Weather was perfect. The coming through the mountains on the west
It's
side of the
gorgeous,
island,
isn't it?
gorgeous,
It's
gorgeous.
I know.
So
So
you didn't think we'd be back in time for you to close up? I got you.